A couple of days ago, I took a trip to Bauchi, and this is how it went down.
Things again, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, as our target is to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. We are currently at we're almost at 500 subscribers, so if you are watching this video, do well to pause the video. I'll wait for you. Have you paused? And then like the video and subscribe. Okay, so I took a trip to Bauchi, and I didn't really do much because I didn't have the time to do just the one day trip, and this video is just showing what Bauchi looks like from my own perspective. I hope to travel to Bauchi to do more videos, to go to places like Yankari Reserve and a lot of places in Bauchi that I really want to explore. So I just hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. So bye now.